Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mary's Witness, and for today's video, I'm going to share unboxing our Samsung Buds. So guys, if you're planning to buy this one, I highly recommend it. And if you're wondering how much it is, that's the price. This one is very easy. It's wireless. When you are driving and working, that you still, you have a business that you need to answer calls, so this is highly recommended. There you go. So insert this one first like that, and then golly, how you can start to making use of this one. You need to go to Play Store and download wearable Galaxy Wearable. So yeah, it says Wear, WEAR. Alright, and then once you download that, it tells you there's instruction there, and it's very easy. It needs to scan on your phone, open your Bluetooth of course, and then this is wireless and rechargeable. As I showed you earlier, it includes a USB charger, and you need to, it says left and right. So for the right side, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna insert this one. You're gonna insert, it's like a bean, a big cashew nuts. So you're gonna insert this one. You're gonna insert in this one inside your ear. That's it. Very gentle, and it will stick, and it doesn't drop easily, and it holds very tight. It's really good. It's holding really good. Okay, let's go on the left side. Okay, these are the one that holds tight. You're gonna insert this in your ear inside like that. That's how it looks like. Okay, you cannot swap it. If it says left, it should be on the left, and what it says on the right, it should be on the right. Yes, and there's written there left and right. Okay, it's very easy. And then open your phone. Once you download the app, Galaxy Wearable, just need to scan, connect, add new device. Add new device. It says here. So you click the Galaxy Buds Live. This is what we got, Galaxy Buds Live. Okay, let's pair up, and it's scanning for this one. Your phone needs to scan this one, so you're gonna start. You can be able to start using your Buds Live. Come on. Okay, it shows up here now. I click the 4219 Galaxy Buds Live, and let's pair up, getting ready to connect. So pair with God's Live 4219. Okay, Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Live. Alright, it shows like that. And then click the checkbox. Click the agree. It shows agree. Okay, how to wear your earbuds. Make sure you put the left and right earbud in the correct ear with the speaker facing inward. A correct fit will give you the best sound and active noise cancelling. Got it. Okay, what I showed you, you need to put that in here and then slightly slide in here, and that's it. So that's why it's not working, because it's low battery, so I'm charging it. So I pair it while it's charging. I just tap left and right together. I tap left and right together, and then now, okay, active noise cancelling, turn it on. Okay. So it says here, okay, that's why. Alright, it says here the battery percentage or battery life of each side, left and right. So yeah, it's 1%. It's low battery. That's why it's not working when I'm tapping it, when I'm holding it. So that's why. Okay, so it's charging 61%. But the earbuds, the buds itself is 1%. Okay. That's why it's not okay. Now you know. So it's just low battery, the buds itself. So that's it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you, and I highly recommend it. And I love it. I love this Buds Live wireless earbuds. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and see you on my next. Bye.